We'll guide you through how to make and get a librarian villager in Minecraft. If you find this guide useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. So first of all, you need to go and place a crafting table, and we need to go and make something called a lectern. So to go and do that, you're going to need 3 books and then put 3 across like so, because first of all, we need to go and make a bookshelf. To do that, you put 3 books across in the middle and then planks at the top and bottom like that. Now you've got the bookshelf. We now need to go back into the crafting table, and what we need is oak slabs. So get oak slabs, we're putting 3 oak planks across. Put 3 oak slabs at the top and then 1 in the bottom in the middle. And then all you need to do is put the bookshelf in the middle like so, and you can then go and get a lectern, just like that. So now what we need to do is go and find a normal villager who currently hasn't got a role. And if they do have a role, what you can do is go and break what they currently use. For example, this here, I'll go and break it. And as you can see, they then go and lose their role. And then what you can do is go and get them in a house, just like so. And what you can do is go and block the door like this. And if they get another job, then just go and break what they use. And go and place the lectern down, just like so. And as you can see like that, they then go and become a librarian. You can then right click with them, and then what you can do is you're going to start getting the trades which the librarians have. For example here, Librarian Novice.